Welcome to Entrepreneur Talks. I'm your host Rupesh Mehta. We know that journey of an entrepreneur is not easy. It's full of challenges, ups and downs. Entrepreneur Talks is a platform where an entrepreneur can talk about their idea, their journey, the challenges and success. Let me start by asking you a question. When was the last time you handed over this business card to someone or you received from someone and you put it down? In today's digital age, when everything is going digital, these paper business cards are going very obsolete. Today we have a guest, Vinod, who is the founder of Digital V Card Global, who is converting all the paper business card to digital. So let's talk. Let's have a conversation with him and know more about his startup, his journey, and how they are doing. Perfectly fine. How are you, Vinod?
Yeah, fine, sir. How are you too?
I'm good. I'm good. Welcome to Entrepreneurs Talk.
Okay.
So this is my platform where I talk to upcoming startups and entrepreneurs.
Okay, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank you for accepting my invitation.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. Fine.
Yeah. So, let's talk about your company, Digital V Card Global. I came across your company on Facebook and I find it really interesting, and I thought to talk to you.
Okay, sir. And then Satya will join you within 5 to 10 minutes maximum.
No problem. Yeah. So, what's your background? Before we talk about your company, I would like to know more about your background. So, what's your background?
Yeah, the background. We initially before 7 years we started the business. Basically, we do website and then mobile application and Facebook and Google advertising.
Okay.
This is our basic platform. We do a lot of websites and e-commerce platforms.
Right. Okay. So how did you come up with this idea of digital business cards?
Yeah, actually, before lockdown, every month we have some website orders or e-commerce orders. But during this COVID period now, that lockdown times, we don't have that much of orders. So that's time we offer some customers to do in very low cost with the same feeling of that website effort. So that's only we came up with this idea.
That's pretty good. Okay. So the product which you are offering is the business card, right? So what exactly is the digital business card? How does it work?
Have you go through our demo links?
Yes, I did go through. But for the viewers, I would like to know more about your product. So whoever is watching this video, they can know more about your product.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Basically, our platform simply uses like if you are running a business, if you are going to explain what you are doing with the sum of unknown customers to your profile, means this digital business card simply explains what do you do in a simple form. In website now, we'll have a lot of text and lot of images. In the business card, it's very simple. Clean information in a short way.
Okay. So is it is only on a web, or do you have like a mobile app as well?
Actually, we are building the mobile app right now. It's work going on already.
Okay. So
because lot of users are having trouble with the website, because the website is moreover user friendly, but not for the all users in that usage platform.
Correct. Okay. So I really liked your idea, right? So as a user, so if I want to create my own business card, so what's the procedure? Can I just go log into your website and I can create my own digital business card?
Yeah, like this.
Okay. And how would I share my business card with other people?
After creating the card, there is a unique link created by with your business name. What is your business name? Can I get that business name?
Yeah, I have a Go Task Me, which is mobile app. So yeah, I own that business.
Okay. So after creating the digital business card, the link will be digitalvcard.online slash your company name. Go task with me, like this.
Okay. So there will be a customized link as per the business name or
Yeah. As per the company name, it will be automatically created.
it will be automatically created. So whenever you want to share your business card, you share that link with the other people, right?
Yeah, right. And then we are building another option too. After creating the business card, we are integrating with the PDF option also. So customers can download the same digital business card content in the PDF format also. They can share with the PDF file also.
Okay. That's really good.
Because some of the users are saying digitalvcard.online is it's your domain. How could I share with the same domain name with my business peoples? So that's only we are offering the PDF option.
Very good. Okay. And how user can save the business card? So let's say if I get a link, right, of a particular like a business, right, and I want to save that business card. Like, is there any facility to save the business card?
Actually, saving the business card is not an option because every if a business card created by the user, we'll send the link to the customer in WhatsApp. That's the format of your following in India, especially.
Right. Okay. But because why I'm asking is in a physical business card, right? Generally, what we do is when we receive, like we save it in a portfolio or a folder or something. So whenever we have to look up, right, then we can just go through the list and we can look up as per the whatever category we saved it. So is there any way like we can save the business card so whenever we want to search it, right, we can refer it or something like that? Is there any facility right now?
No, actually, the different facility we are working on this because in that business card there is option will be available in 15 days. Save contact option.
Save contact option. Okay, so
while seeing that digital business card, if any user or any customer want to save the contact, just click the button. The contact will be automatically saving to that mobile phone.
Very good. Yeah, in today's world, right, especially after this corona, I go to a lot of meetups, right, online meetups. So before that, there used to be meetups where we exchange the cards, right? But nowadays that is not happening. So I mean, I say there's really need of the hour, So you picked up really good idea. So how many founders and partners you have in your startup?
Actually, I'm the only one founder for this startup.
Oh, you are the only one? Okay. And is this startup a bootstrap or you have outside investment in your company?
No investments. Only invest by me only, myself only.
So it's a bootstrap, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. How many employees you have right now in your company?
Actually, we started before 6 months. Initially, I'm the main developer and marketing person for this digital business card. But now I'm having around 12 telecallers and 4 developers.
Very good. Okay. So you wear multiple hats, right? You started by your own and you expanded. So that's really good. How is the response? I mean, are you seeing good response from the people?
Yeah, actually, I'm seeing a lot of good responses every day. In last 15 days, we are completing every day 10 to 15 orders per day.
Okay. And what's your revenue model? So, I mean, I see you are providing a really good service. So, what's your revenue model? How would you generate the money?
Hello.
I think Satya joined the meeting.
Hey, Satya, welcome.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah.
Great. So how are things? All good?
Things are very good. So I'm just talking to about your digital V-Card Global. I find it really interesting. So, coming to the question, so what's your revenue model? So I see like you are offering a really good service. So how would your company generate revenue?
See,
Yeah, Satya will explain that.
yeah. See, it's very simple. The way we started is it's like we want to extend some sort of service, okay, to our community. So that was the idea behind it. So initially we did not have a big plan for this. Okay, we'll make a huge revenue out of it, and this is the business model that we had. It all just started up. So then the kind of support that we got from our people, and with their feedback, so this is how it grew. So we didn't have an extraordinary plan for this. How we are going to generate revenue out of it? It all just started. So now that we have made a plan that how we are going to do it. I think that part Vinod will take care of it.
Correct.
So he has a clear-cut strategy for it. So he has a plan for it, and because he's taking care of the Indian operations, and of course we together have jointly taken up the remaining global operations. So time to time we discuss the strategy and then make decisions accordingly.
Okay. So you do have a strategy in place to generate the revenue. That's very good because we see many startups, right? They have big plans, but they have no plans for the revenue, right? So yeah, that's really good. You have strategy in place for the.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
See, it's very simple. When you asked how you're going to generate revenue, every business when they start up, they always have big plans. We want to grow so much. This is our revenue. 6 months target, 1 year target, 3 year target, 5 year target, then 10-year plan. You definitely need a plan how you're going to achieve it. But every year, see, when you are a startup, you cannot have very huge plans. When you are a startup, you have to see whether people accept you or not. When you get the acceptance of the people, then you can have a clear-cut strategy. Okay, this is the plan that we are going to have it now. So with that, you can keep on changing the strategy. But we think that, okay, this will work. See, every strategy we step in, we thought, okay, this will work. So for last 6 months or so, it has been working well. So we change from time to time.
Correct.
So, but we have some, aggressive plans at how we have to be.
Okay.
Since we got very good support from people, now we have set our target how we have to be in future.
Okay.
So that probably before we conclude, we'll discuss on that aspect also.
Sure, definitely. So, I mean, what's your target customer right now? Like, are you having geographical boundaries? You said that, okay, you want to target like, this market or this type of people. Do you have any like, targeted focus or right now is like global?
Okay, very simple. See, when we started this, we wanted to serve within the Tamil Nadu region. That was our idea. We thought we'll just see how the service being accepted. Then, as I said again in the beginning, so the response.
Right.
The response we got from within the region was immense. We couldn't handle it in the initial stages. Because when we started, we had a very small team. So Vinod was the only one who was handling from head to toe. You ask him how much time he would have spent for his family and sleep. Very rare.
Wow.
So that was see, now he's smiling. So that was the thing, because we used to talk on a daily basis. I always tell Vinod, I talking to my wife is very less, but I talk to Vinod is more for the last 2.5 months or so. So the time I spent with him is more over phone, because time to time we keep changing it, and he used to update me on a daily basis, or even sometimes every half a day we used to discuss, okay, what's going on and how's the response. So that was our interaction. So now coming back to the topic, initially we thought we'll set with this region. Then response was good. So we started getting queries from other states, like outside of Tamil Nadu. Like we started getting queries from Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and as far as Uttar Pradesh and other places. So we thought, okay, now people are responding well. Why not we expand ourselves? So then we thought, we came up with this model called franchisee. So instead of we approaching every individual business or corporates or MSMEs, whoever it be, we thought franchisee would be an ideal option to reach wider audience. So we started up this concept called franchisee. So this is a age-old concept and it's a proven concept. So franchisee worked well. Initially, because the cost we kept was very low to attract more people. So again, the response was good for franchisee. In a short span, we reached a sizable number. So we thought, okay, this is an ideal strategy to expand within India. So that idea gave us, or that gave us a confidence that why not we expand globally? When this concept has worked, we thought we will take it globally. Then I came into the picture. So on there it started. So initially we thought we will focus on UAE. Because when it comes to UAE, this product is, nobody knows what it is exactly. What I was thinking initially is that, okay, when we approach people, they'll come to know very easily and then the marketing would be easy. So, but rather it was vice versa. Nobody understood what exactly it is. So we had to spend more time on this. So we had to spend more time with every client. So then the idea we thought, okay, the same we will apply everywhere. The concept of approaching individually as well as franchisee. Parallelly, we will grow. So then we started placing ads globally. I, sitting in UAE, started placing ads in other Gulf countries. And because since I have contacts in African countries, I started placing ads. So with that, we started generating leads. And with my own contacts, we started generating business. Then slowly we expanded. And that's how, and we were part of so many Facebook groups. So we used to post our, post like this. So we get good response. And, now we have given franchisees to Australia. Like not that, okay, only one person can take a franchisee and do this as a business. So whomever is having contacts, whomever is a networker, they can do this as a business.
Correct. And as a franchisee, what as a franchisor, what you provide to franchisee?
Okay. I think when it comes to franchisor, we will also discuss the cost initially. I think you might have seen the cost aspect as well. So if it is a per user cost, it is $20. If somebody wants to, if I want to create a card for myself, I pay $20. And I pay only once. I don't need to pay anything for the future. And a lifelong, you can keep on editing. You can edit any number of times. So that is the option that we provide. And when you get into our website, you can see in detail. So what are the service for an individual? The same services a franchisee will get. In addition to that, the cost of franchisee is around $135. And they pay only once. And they can $135. $135.
Okay.
Yeah, $135.
$135.
So what they get is they get full access to our site, and as a as a franchisee, you can create unlimited cards. Whether you create for individual or for a small medium enterprise or for corporates. So the entire control is with you. So you have all the access to it. So anytime any changes for anybody, they can do it.
Okay.
So what a franchisor will get out of it for creating cards for others? We give 50% of single user. For example, $10 has been shared. So $10 for the company and $10 for the franchisor. So they can get back in 8 cards. When they complete 8 cards, their investment is back. So and whatever they are going to do in future, so 50% will be shared.
Okay.
Some people might ask why that 50%? Because it is a maintenance cost.
Right. Of course.
Because now our user base, when we started, we never thought, okay, we will grow. We thought we will grow slowly. But now our user base has already crossed 850.
Wow. Okay.
850. Active profiles is more than 500. So yesterday evening, while Vinod and me were discussing, one of the franchisors wanted to know, sir, what is your user base? How do I believe you? Then what Vinod did is, okay, fine, no problem, sir. More than we talking, let our profile talk. So we sent all the 500 profiles to him.
Actually, today it was 920 profiles.
920 profiles, okay. So this is the latest update. So these are all individuals, not corporates or not MSMEs, all individuals. Individual profile of 920. So now that our next target is to go and approach small and medium enterprises, then to corporates.
Yeah.
We have still not gone there.
Right. Right.
So that is our next target. Now that we are finding it extremely, tightened, because with 15 people on board, so we are extremely busy with them, managing them. And in UAE, I'm the only person, or I would say for the remaining part, I'm the only person who's handling here. I'm just slowly forming up a team. Because the amount of queries that we are getting outside of India is not like India. It will take some time because the rules and regulations changes from country to country. So that's the present development.
Very good. Very good. So is there any competition in the market right now? Are there any companies which are doing the same as what you are doing?
Okay. So this is a very good question, actually. See, any business will have definitely competition. So from where an idea sparked for us, so like that, many people will definitely be having it. So when it comes to competition, we found out before we started up, there were more than half a dozen people in the market already. Okay, maybe some people are semi-professionals, some people are professionals. So we noticed that, okay, these people are already there in the market for last 6 months, 1 year. But when we compare the user base, it was very less. So we thought, okay, how we can overcome this competition? So we should have a clear-cut strategy. So I think that part, Vinod will have a very interesting factor. How he promoted this.
Sure.
That was really when I was discussing with him, I was really awestruck how this guy is managing this. I think he will come forward. Vinod, you can now start.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, initially there was a normal startup idea. After that, the users will start inquiring about this now. Every individual user asking a special requirement. For every user, we have individual inquiries for that. We need this update. We need this update. We need this update. So far, the current development of the software is all based on this users' requirements only. So that's we are differentiate from the other competitors.
Okay, I'll tell you how he promoted very simply. I don't know whether to share this or not publicly. Okay.
If it's a company secret, then it's okay.
I wouldn't say it's a company secret.
Yeah.
See, you wouldn't believe in a short span of time we could reach more than 5 to 6 lakh people.
Wow. Okay.
The tools that we used is all social media. As simple as that. But how we manipulated and how we did it, it was a surprising factor for us. But in a very, very short span of time. The leads that we generated, just numbers alone, is more than 30,000.
Wow.
So that's why I'm telling again and again, this guy has used his brain to the maximum. How to get that much of leads.
Right.
So we thought, okay, we have an edge over our competitors. I don't know why other people might be following a similar strategy or even a more aggressive strategy. So we cannot, we don't know what strategy they are following. But let us follow our own strategy of reaching individuals. So let us hit every individual. So that was our target. Okay. But still, that target is too big actually. Probably we have achieved maybe 1 or 2% of it. Still a lot to achieve.
Definitely. And especially now, like a post-COVID era, I would say that people are still hesitant to share their physical business card, right? So I would say it's a huge market opportunity where it can tap in. And if you're saying like if there's a half a dozen player, then it's not a huge competition. So you're still like you entered at the right time,
Of course.
Yeah. So
you're right for that. You're right.
Right. So you already talked about, my next question was about your expansion strategy. So you already covered that your expansion strategy is to like go to individual as well as go with the franchise model, right? So that was your expansion strategy. Right. So I find it really interesting, your startup, and I definitely I think that it has a really big potential. So any message for our viewers, because I'll be sharing your interview on my social media platforms, YouTube, Twitter, right? So
Okay.
any special message you want to give to our viewers?
See, special message. What we have done is not a rocket science. It's a very so our idea is we want to do something different.
Okay.
So this idea came up to our mind. We thought we'll do something differently, but people should be able to understand a concept which is already been practiced. Then we thought, okay, we'll take up this concept. And this idea sparked only because of COVID. We have to really accept the fact. So now one-to-one interaction has already been very minimal,
Right.
even families. So we thought how they are going to share their profile or details. We thought, okay, this would be an ideal platform. Not only to just share their name or number. We thought they want to share their entire profile so that it reaches everybody, those who are into business. So initially, actually, our idea is to cater to business segment. Because when it comes to India, it's a huge potential because individual business people are more in India. So that was our target. So we planned it. And initially we thought, okay, fine, we'll go slowly. Okay, this is the approach that we're going to do. This is services. And then, as I again said in the beginning, since the response was good, we started, okay, we'll expand it. So now most of the people are moved digitally, even in remote villages now, especially in India, in remote villages now we almost getting digitalized. So when a country like India is going digitalized, remaining countries have almost reached the pinnacle of success. When it comes to US or UK or European or even Middle East countries. So we thought this would be an ideal platform to share their profile to every individual. For example, when we approached a retail showroom in one of the places here, it's a big group. So what they do is they collect their customers' numbers. And how they approach is either through Facebook or just a WhatsApp message. Then we told them, okay, by this way, you can approach your customers. By just sharing a link or a QR code or a PDF document, whichever way you want. So that was really impressive. As you said, it's a good idea. They also conveyed the same. It's a good idea that you can share. So initially we created a card for them just to give them an idea how it looks. They were very impressed. Then the database that they have as a customers are more than 30,000. So they purchased it and then they started sending it to all the people.
Wow.
So it's very simple that they said, just click this link, you'll get instant updates.
Okay.
So we want to make things as simple as possible. Initially, our thought was only individuals. Then the idea grew. Then we thought, okay, we want to reach every individual who are in this planet if it is useful for them. We hope that it is going to be useful for them.
Correct.
So as you said, the post-COVID era, now it has become only webinars. So just share your profile, send us a PDF document, done. Instead of opening up a website or opening up, just click this link, you have your profile, just save it as a PDF document. You can just carry it anytime. And since I'm in marketing, I approached a couple of people for marketing. One of the guys, he told me that, sir, I'm using this as a presentation tool. Since they upload all these PDF documents, their company profiles, with a pocket projector, he is using this as a presentation tool. So I was really surprised. That was a motivation for me also. Oh, it can also be used this way.
Wow. Okay.
So, like we get motivation from different ways. So that was one of the way that, okay, we got motivated. Okay, we thought, okay, we can promote this way now. We can add this. So we thought, okay, for every individual, we think that it's going to be beneficial by sharing their profile and in a very just single click.
Very good. Okay.
And actually, whatever update we give in future for an individual user or for franchisee, it's going to be free of cost. We are not going to charge anything for that. So I want to make it a point on this. Of course, future may change, but at present, this is the thing. So we are maintaining with this. We want to give it a low cost, but the reason is our target is huge. We are targeting on a volume based. We have found out our competitors are giving maybe at a similar cost, but they are charging annually. And some people for corporates they charge monthly. But we want to fix one cost. That's it. So let them enjoy all the benefits.
Of course.
Because this way it will start sharing. And the kind of response that we got from other countries, I never thought of it. Especially from South Africa, that an ad we placed, I started getting messenger calls continuously. So I thought, okay, maybe things are working. Maybe people are looking for something new. Websites, all these things are now already been, it's like getting outdated. Everybody are having websites, but what is there special? Something special. We thought, okay, this would be an attractive tool. When you share in a mobile, when you see your profile in your mobile, oh, this looks something attractive, man.
Yeah.
So let's try it out.
Correct.
And if they want to try it out, it shouldn't be expensive. It should be cost effective.
Correct.
Okay, we thought, okay, we'll do it this way. We'll make it affordable. So that everybody can have this. Now here, some of the college students, they have created their profile. Somebody is doing photography as a part-timer. So he has created a profile. So he's sharing this. So like that, we do not know who will be a user. So anybody can be a user for this.
Good message. Definitely.
In short, okay.
Any message from your side, Vinod?
Yeah, the same Satya explained now. Our target is to reach globally in every individual business owners and that corporate owners. This is our target. And every individual business owners and corporate users have to use this digital business card for all the purposes.
Got it. Okay. Definitely, I see great potential into that, right? So I really wish best of luck to you guys. And definitely, I will also leverage your service, right? And at the last, I would like to say a thank you again for accepting my invitation. And
my pleasure.